Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 25th, 2021, and this is going to be our Bitcoin Cash price prediction. We want to see if a huge run is going to come into the market for Bitcoin Cash. You guys can tell I already did a price prediction into the market for this currency. I'm going to talk about that, and then we're going to see, can we see a huge run occur into the market for Bitcoin Cash? So welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I simply look at price and volume to try to determine where the market's going to go so we can be in position and win. If you guys want to join me, guess what? The doors are open. Hit the like button, share, subscribe to the channel. Also, I would recommend that you tap that bell notification because you don't want to miss out on our videos. It's just that simple. We are very competent in understanding how the market dynamics work in the cryptocurrency space, in the stock market, even in commodities. As long as there's a market, we should be able to tell what the people are trying to do with their money. So let's talk about it real quick. October the 26th was the last time I did a video for Bitcoin Cash, and you guys can see it, right? We played the strength into the market in Bitcoin Cash, and we said, look for the price to go up. Now, has price gone up? That's the question. Yeah, it has. Right here, we was definitely in profit mode into our price prediction in Bitcoin Cash. Now, I wasn't extremely bullish into the market in Bitcoin Cash. Matter of fact, we already displayed where restriction was going to be or where the sellers are at, and it's around $745. So right here, on November the 9th, the price in Bitcoin Cash came to $729. Pretty close. We're pretty much in the ballpark for us to notice where the sellers are at. Cool. Were you able to grab the profit on those particular days, on November the 9th and November the 10th? Did you do it? Because if so, it's about 16.75% profitability right there. Now, if you didn't, you were to get out the market now in Bitcoin Cash, you're literally probably breaking even, or you're probably about 1.15% in profit mode, which is cool, which is decent. That's no harm, no foul, because you're still winning against your original prediction, which we did on the 26th of October, right? So the market really hasn't been doing too much in Bitcoin Cash. It's just pretty much been trading sideways, which kind of gives us enough power, enough energy to continue to pursue higher prices or lower prices. Let's talk about it then. Let me get rid of this. And let's see what we have in terms of Bitcoin Cash price move. Now, first things first, I'm gonna show you this, and I really like what the market has shown us in terms of holding support for Bitcoin Cash. This is where it is. This is where support is into the market in Bitcoin Cash. We've seen price bounce off of $550 numerous times, and we even did it recently. I mean, from November the 18th, we got the breakout occur yesterday, and now we're still seeing that continuation of movement higher price. So as long as Bitcoin Cash continues to hold $550, guess what? Yeah, price is going to go up, because this is where the buyers are at, and the buyers didn't want to let the price decrease below 550. We appreciate this information. It didn't take us a lot of technical indicators just to draw to that conclusion. This is where the buyers are at. All right. So now we got two placeholders to where we can expect to see buyers. First one, 550. Second one down here towards this overall trend into the market in Bitcoin Cash. Okay. So now let me extend this out a little bit further because it is still intact. We are still trending higher in price in Bitcoin Cash. Pretty good. So we got 550 being established as support. Let's take a look at the market in Bitcoin Cash on a 2-day time frame. And you guys can see on the last 2-day price bar, we saw the strength. Here in Bitcoin Cash, the market's trying to go up. It's just that simple. Starting from November the 17th to November the 23rd, the market has been gearing up for higher prices. So where's the confusion? The market is literally telling us that since the beginning of November, well, mid-November. It's the 3-day time frame. So we're pretty much still intact to allow price in Bitcoin Cash to go up. Now, with that being said, though, I don't want you all to think that we're going to get a moonshot up in price in Bitcoin Cash to $1,500. No, that's not what I do, right? I try to bring it back down to earth. I try to give us more realism in terms of where we can see the market go and tag so we can profit from it, right? Yeah, can Bitcoin Cash hit $1,500? Yeah, but when? That's the question that many people will want to ask next. And I don't know that, right? But right now, I don't see it on the 3-day time frame. I don't see us hitting, $1,500 in the next 3 days. So let me show you something. Since I'm still looking for the market in Bitcoin Cash to go up, right? We're going to play it again. That's it. And when you still see what the majority of the people are trying to do with their money, with their positions in Bitcoin Cash, you continue to follow the same notion. There's nothing changed. Nothing has changed since my last video in Bitcoin Cash. We're still seeing how price wants to go up. Now, namely, look, we got 3 days and 11 hours left. And if this current weekly price bar looks the way that it looks now, yeah, $700, maybe a little bit lower than that, is going to be tagged again. $700 right here. It's about 12.25%. So we can still profit another 12.25% in the market in Bitcoin Cash right there. It's the 2 weeks time frame. Now, this is where I want to preface my strength looking into the market, right? The last 2 weekly price bar right here. Okay, you guys can see it. The market showing us weakness. The volume came through. The market closed on the low of the bar. So this current 2 weekly price bar is forming. We still got 10 days and 11 hours left. So in the next 10 days and 11 hours, don't get it twisted. Price can still go down from a 2-week perspective. So I don't want you all to think that it's all free selling. We'll have nothing to worry about, because in the next 10 days, if the market price in Bitcoin Cash closes below the close from the last 2 weeks, then we got something to talk about. It's going to be a lot weaker than what the current market is exhibiting today. So you got to give at least 10 days and 11 hours. It might happen in a day. It might happen on the 9th day, but you have to know what to be prepared for. And this is where we are noticing the weakness into the market in Bitcoin Cash. So in the next 2 weeks, if price is lower than where it was the last 2 weeks, then price is going to go down. Yes, I'm telling you that now, today, the 25th of November. Someone is actually telling you that if price closes lower than the last 2 weekly price bar, we're going to go a lot lower in price. And it's not going to be $500. No, price in Bitcoin Cash would come all the way back down towards $440, $400. So I'm just saying, be ready for that. Now, let me show you my price prediction, because like I said, I'm playing the strength into the market in Bitcoin Cash, but let's be real. Okay. Our first area for us to come in and profit into the market in Bitcoin Cash would be, I would say, around 650. Yeah. I mean, that's only 3.7% profitability, but we're winning, right? 3.7% beats losses. We want to get out the market before price goes down, and that's the first spot that we will need to jump the ship to save the bag, 3.7%. So I got 650 first. Second area is going to be up here towards like 685, which is 9.69%. So we got 650, 685, and then ultimately 700. Okay. Those are the 3 levels that I'm looking for Bitcoin Cash price to go. All right, that's it. I'm done. Now, drop me a comment real quick. Let me know, what is your price prediction into the market in Bitcoin Cash? Again, I'm not really seeing anything too detrimental in terms of volatility or weakness or strength right now, but seeing what price has done recently is the reason why I'm playing the strength into the market in Bitcoin Cash now. Now, again, 10 days, 11 hours, this could be a totally different picture in terms of where price is going to go. All right, so let me know, what is your price prediction into the market in Bitcoin Cash? Hit me up. Welcome to the team. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.